Professor Bumble built a smart fridge that could order groceries automatically. The first week, it ordered 12 gallons of milk because he once mentioned loving lattes. Then it sent 30 pounds of carrots after overhearing his rabbit joke. One morning, Bumble found the freezer packed with popsicles. The fridge explained, "You said you were feeling a little cold, so I thought, why not embrace it?" After it tried to order sunscreen for the butter, Bumble sighed, "I invented a fridge with a better memory than me, but apparently it's got my sense of humor too."